How to use Screencastify with Wakelet. Wakelet and Screencastify have teamed up to allow you to upload your videos straight to your collections. There are 3 ways to do this. If you don't already have Screencastify, head to your browser's plugin store and install Screencastify. Next, click the extension and sign into your Google account. You need to sign into a Google account as Screencastify automatically saves new videos in Google Drive. Next, head to Wakelet and go to Settings. Click Apps and click Connect with Screencastify. Click the extension again and click OK. This makes it so that all videos made with Screencastify can be easily saved to Wakelet. Let's try this out. To make a new video, click Record, and we're now recording a video of our screen. To stop recording, click Pause and click End Recording. You now need to sign into your Google Drive. Click Save, and you can now save your new video to either your items area or directly to a collection. If you already have Screencastify, head to your Wakelet settings. Choose Apps and connect to Screencastify. Click Connect App, and your Screencastify is now connected to Wakelet. If you decide you want to disconnect Screencastify and Wakelet, you can do this here. You can reconnect at any time by doing this. The third method is if you're recording a video on Screencastify without sharing to any apps. After recording a video, you'll be presented with a new tab with your video inside. To add this to Wakelet, click the Share button. Click the 3 dots here and choose Third Party App. If you've already connected Wakelet and Screencastify, Wakelet will show here. Otherwise, connect Screencastify with Wakelet by going to your Wakelet settings, as we showed earlier. When Wakelet and Screencastify are connected, choose Wakelet and click Share. Click Save to Google Drive and choose where on Wakelet to save your video to. Again, you can save it to your items, a collection, or create a new collection. Your Screencastify video will now appear in Wakelet. And if you want to edit the title, description, or thumbnail of the video, then you can do this by clicking Edit Collection and editing the item. If you have any questions about Wakelet, feel free to tweet our support team @WakeletSupport, or you can email support@wakelet.com.